Welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code video. Today I'm here with a 95% discount at Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description and then follow this step-by-step tutorial on how you can get as much as up to 95% discount through this amazing coupon code and special discount. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this, and you may see around as summer sales going on right now up to 80%, but I'm going to make it 95% for you so you can save as much money as possible along with a special coupon code. So scroll below, let's see a few of the features why Hostinger is a great idea and why I'm using it from the last 5 years. So first of all, the 30 days money back guarantee is an exclusive feature by Hostinger, which I personally like, which is a very good feature that no question asked, you are being covered with 30 days money back guarantee. Now let's see what 70,000 people are saying on Trustpilot regarding Hostinger before you claim this amazing coupon code deal. So look around over here, the reviews. Hostinger is by far the best hosting service. Let me start by saying honesty is my motto and I live with it. So you can see 5-star reviews. Hostinger code support agent is and has been second to none. Easy setup and good communication. I have had a great experience with Hostinger, and this is my own experience that we are very happy with Hostinger, which is why I'm here with this amazing coupon code deal. So again, what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description and then just follow this amazing tutorial on how you can get as much as up to 95% discount through this amazing coupon code deal. So Hostinger Horizons is a Hostinger's AI tool through which you can easily create website or app. And if you are going to use WordPress like me, you can use Hostinger for that as well. And if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a dedicated migrate Hostinger service, and that is a completely free service. So whether you have one website or 100 websites, they are going to shift all that to free of cost. Where the competitors charge as much as $2,600 for this, Hostinger offers you completely all this free of cost. And right now 5 million plus people are using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it as well. So now no more waiting and directly move on to the plans through which you can get up to 95% discount. So again, once you click on the link in the description and you are over here, Hostinger offer you 3 plans. Premium unlimited cloud setup. The coupon discount is valid on any of the plan, but my recommendation is to do a thorough research. If you ask me which plan I'm using the unlimited plan, also known as the business plan. And here I can save you 95% discount if you click on the link in the description and then land over here and simply select the choose plan and then follow my step-by-step tutorial on how to get up to 95% discount. So once you select the choose plan over here, this is a special coupon code as well, discount as well. So it's a combination of multiple discounts. So once you are landed over here, off for 48 months. My recommendation is to opt for 48 months because the Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods. But if you're tight on budget, you can also opt for 24 or 12 months. But guys, believe me that this offer won't appear again. So take the maximum advantage of it by opting for 48 months. You can save the maximum amount of money. After this, you can write the free domain over here. All of the plans come with Hostinger free domain for 1 year. The free domain is only valid for the 1 year, and again this is exclusively only for those people who click on the link in the description. And now you can see the 1 year, so you do not have to pay anything additional. You can see your order summary over here, and now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply the coupon code over here and you're going to see that your price got a further discount from already running discount deal. So do your math, it's an 80% off plus daily backup plus free domain plus free mailboxes plus 10%. Even 80% plus 10% is 90%, but daily backups, free domain and free email, do your math, and it's more than 95% saving through this special discount link and the coupon code. After this, simply select the continue over here once your coupon code is applied. Now you may be asked to log in at your hosting account or need to synchronize with your Google account or need to create a new account, but since I'm already logged in, I'm at the last part. I can see my order summary over here, my coupon code is applied. I can see my billing details over here. After this, coming on the payment methods. And if your billing details are not added, you can simply add it and write your billing details over here to move on to the last part, and that is selecting payment method. Now Hostinger offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, China, Alipay, Hong Kong, and CoinGate for crypto payments. So guys, they offer you a variety of payment methods, and they even offer country specific as well. So you may see additional payment methods as well depending on from which location you have clicked on the link in the description. And let's say I'm going to credit card, write my credit card details and simply select the submit payment. And within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. Just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description, follow my step-by-step tutorial, and use either of the coupon code to enjoy your amazing hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 15 years, and 5 years, and my experience so far is very good. So if you want to enjoy this amazing Hostinger discount coupon code deal, so make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code mentioned in the description of this video to enjoy this amazing discount from Hostinger. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.